The learning is Nishmas, Etta, Ahuva, Bas Yaakov. Maseches Kesubos, Perek Beis, Mishna Gimel. It's Mishnah's continuing on Pesha Aser. The last Mishnah spoke about Pesha Aser. Akdama to this Mishnah is a case that Ruvain owed Shimon money, and there were Edom saying that Ruvain owes Shimon money, but now Ruvain is saying that he doesn't owe the money, and the Edom are backing up and saying that which they signed is not true. So Ha'edim Sha'amru Ksav Yadeinu Huzeh, the Edom said that this is our signature, we did sign on it. Aval Anusum Hayinu Ketanim Hayinu Psuli Edus Hayinu. But Teich Kedei Dibur, Rashi and the Gemara says it was Teich Kedei Dibur. They said right away, Anusum Hayinu, we were forced to sign on it, or we were Ketanim, so we were puzzled, or Psuli Edus Hayinu, we were puzzled because of Korva Harei Elu Ne'emanim. They are Ne'eman because there was no kiyum only through them saying now Ksav Yadeinu Huzeh, and Teich Kedei Dibur, they said that they were puzzled. But im yesh edim shu ksav yadam. But if there were other edim that this was their ksav yad, oisha ksav yadam yitz mimakom achar, or there was already a different star that had a hempik on it, signed on it, and we compare the signatures of the edim, so we know that they're edim mimakom achar. So then they're not believed to say einin emonim. They're not believed to say now anisim ayinu ketanim ayinu psuli edus ayinu. Just one thing in the Gemara says that which it says in the Reisha, that Anusim Hayinu, that they're believed, that's dafka if they were saying Anusim Hayinu Machmas Nefashis, and therefore they weren't making themselves into a Rasha. But if they would say Anusim Hayinu Machmas Mammon, then even though there's a Pesha Asa Pesha Iter, we don't believe them because Eino the Mesim Atzmai Rasha. In the case of Psuli Edus Hayinu, it would be a similar thing, that Psuli Edus means that they were puzzled because of Korba, but if they were saying puzzled because they were Mesachad B'Kuvya, then that would be making themselves into Naveir. That's what the Rav points out. But Rashi in the Gemara actually does say Mesachim B'Kuvya, and it could be he means that Mesachim B'Kuvya is Derabanan, and there's a shayla whether you say, the Mesim Atmei Rashi, even a Psul Derabanan. Mishnah Dalet, Zeh Imer Ksav Yadi, V'Zeh Imer Ksav Yadi Shel Chaveirei, V'Zeh Imer Zeh Ksav Yadi, V'Zeh Ksav Yadi Shel Chaveirei. Each aid is saying that their signature was true. It was they're the ones that signed on it, and they were also saying aidus on the other aid's signature that it's true. So then that's considered a kiyum, because on each signature you have two aidim. Harei elu ne'emanim. The next part of the Mishnah, the Sefer, is a machlekes. Over there, only each aid is saying on their own signature, Zerim is Zek Sav Yadi, Zerim is Zek Sav Yadi. So you only have one person on each signature. Rebbe says you need to have two signatures on each aid. So therefore you need to get a third person from the shuk to be made on each signature. But over here, the Chachamim argue and say, it's good enough for each aid just to say on himself, Zek Sav Yadi. And the reason it's brought in the Gemara, because Amana Shebishtar He Mi'idim. Rameir held that each person is made al Ksav Yadim, so you need to have two aids on the Ksav Yadim. But the Chachamim hold that each aid is technically, by saying it's their signature, they're just being made that Ruvain owes Shimon money. So you have two Eidim on that. Just by each person saying that their signature is true, they're each saying that Ruvain owes Shimon money, and there's two Eidim saying that the money is owed, and therefore that is good enough for a Kiyum.